Today I am going to show you all of my new luggage and everything that I'm packing for our 6-day trip. We are going to Fenwick Island in Delaware. It's pretty much the same place that I went last year, but I am going with my boyfriend this year. And we're going to meet our friends and their family there. Basically, we're going to be relaxing by the ocean for the next 6 days. And last year, I packed so bad. I am the worst packer ever. I kind of get stressed out when I have to pack because I always like everything organized. And packing to me just means that everything is disheveled everywhere. So this year, I decided that I was going to buy all new luggage, and I wanted to get these spinner wheels so it's nice and easy to move, so I'm not breaking my back trying to wheel the suitcases. And I got a bunch of packing cubes to help me pack all my suitcases. And I'm also bringing my food for 6 days, so I will show you everything that I'm bringing. First is this amazing luggage. I am obsessed with this. The brand of this is Steve Madden, and it comes with all 4 of these pieces, with this bag and the carry-on. So this whole thing is carry-on right here, and then these 2 are the larger suitcases. Now for this 6-day trip, I'm not going to use these 2, so we'll push those aside. And these are the 2 that I'm going to be bringing for this trip. I'm going to link every single thing that I'm talking about here down in the description box, and I'll link it to the top comment for you guys if you are interested in purchasing any of this. I think I got everything on Amazon. If not, I will also put those links below. All right, so I'm going to start with this bag, and I'm going to put all of my toiletries in this bag. So this is nice and roomy in there. And the first thing that I'm bringing, I purchased this specifically for the trip. It is a magnifying mirror on one side and a regular mirror on the other side. It makes it so much easier if the lighting isn't good to just look at your face, put on your makeup, anything you need to do. And it has a battery operated touch light, so it lights up. I am obsessed with this thing, and it also has a plug-in cord, so I'm gonna bring that also in case the batteries die, which I doubt it. I just put the brand new batteries in there. So this is the first thing I'm gonna put in, and I kept the bag that it came in just to protect it a little bit. So that is fitting perfectly on the bottom. Next, I have this makeup bag, and that's Velcro. And this is by Mary Kay. I purchased this on Amazon last year. I absolutely love it. These come off, they just Velcro, so you can just keep everything super organized. It's got a hook. You can hang it wherever you want. I've just got all of my makeup in here and just the basics. I'm just bringing Q-tips, foundation, a couple of lipsticks. The eyeshadow palette that I decided to bring out of every eyeshadow palette that I have is the Alter Ego Goddess palette. And just a couple of makeup brushes, and that's it for that. So it's nice and compact like this. Fits right in there. And then this is one of the packing cubes that I got. Actually has a little handle on it, and you can put clothing in here or whatever you need to organize. I put a bunch of toiletries in this one just to keep everything organized. And I got a bunch of these little jars, eyedroppers for all of my serums and my creams, so it makes it nice and easy not to have to bring the giant containers along with me. And then I have these little organizers that I also purchased with all of these other cubes. And I have like hair stuff in here, hair clips, a comb, hair ties. I just love that everything is so organized, so it's gonna make it so much easier. Poopery, of course, you guys, you gotta bring your poopery. What else do I got? A bunch of hair stuff, makeup wipes, butt wipes, everything. Loofah, my Zion Health Clay Dry Natural Deodorant. Love this. I'll link this stuff below too. And then I've got all of my shampoo and body wash all nice and organized in there. I am seriously pushing everything to the max of capacity because I wanted to bring as little bags as possible. Last year was just totally ridiculous. So this year I've got it down to 3 bags and the food. All right, that is like to maximum capacity right there. Oh, I also got these cute little tags where you can put your name in there, and it says, "And so the adventure begins." These did come with tags, but there was no privacy flap on the back, and I wanted to get these little cute ones. All right, that is done. This is the other suitcase that I'm gonna bring. This is the smallest one. This is a carry-on. We are actually driving there, but if you were gonna go on a plane, this is what you would use. And you can put this in the overhead and that one will fit underneath your seat. It has so many pouches to keep everything nice and organized. I got some flip-flops in here, and I got these shoe bags that make it so easy just to keep all of your shoes organized. Grab some more shoes. The suitcases actually came with these shoe bags also. Let's see if all this will fit in there. These are wedges, so they're a little bit thicker. Yes, fits. Then in this pouch, I have right where I can reach it. This is my Alozin Pain Spray. This has CBD in it. This is a brand new one. This is for muscle and joints. I put this anywhere that I have pain. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bottles. I keep them everywhere around the house, one in the car. Amazing if you're having any pain. I use it on my neck, my shoulder, my scar tissue on my stomach. It just penetrates right through my knees. Anywhere that you're having pain, it's great for your back. I 100% recommend this. I've talked to you guys about how great this is. If you have not tried it, I will put the link below. I'm gonna keep this right where I can reach it on the outside pouch. And then I got these Space Saver bags, but I ended up not using them for packing. What I'm gonna do is put my dirty clothes in here, and then you roll the bag after you put your clothes in, and it flattens everything, like it suctions the air out. So this is what I'm gonna keep my laundry in while we're gone, to keep it all organized. And there is tons of room inside. Wait till you see how much I'm going to fit in this little suitcase, you guys. Comes with this little pouch here. I'm not going to use this actually. I'm just going to take that right off. Just snaps right off. All right, so for packing, I used all of my storage cubes. These are the shoe bags. I have flip-flops in here. Then, let's see if I can fit all this in here. I've got everything organized, and the way I packed it is like, this is my sleep clothes, my comfy clothes. I've got my daytime clothes with bathing suits, and I've got my nighttime clothes in the other one. I don't know, it's gonna be tight, but we will see. All right, so I can fit in there. I might have to take it out of this. Yeah, I do. All right, almost made it in all the packing cubes, but I'm gonna take this out and just roll. I like to pack everything together, like the pants and the shirt together, just so I don't have to think about it when I'm on vacation. I don't want to think, I just want to enjoy myself. So these are my comfy clothes, and I think it might be getting chilly at night, and just in case, I want to bring some yoga pants with a long sleeve shirt for sitting out by the ocean at night. And then bra and underwear, stick that right in there. Oh my gosh, you guys, all that's gonna fit. Do you believe that all fit in this little thing? Now the test is if I can close it. So I will put this zipper to the test for sure. Come on. Oh yeah, it's gonna close. Yes, yes, it worked. It worked. All right, let's get this down on the ground. Come on. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! It fit, you guys. I have the expander all the way open. There's a zipper right here. So that is, if this makes it through the stress I am putting this through right now, that is incredible. I don't see any of the zippers having any trouble or busting at the seams, and yep, ready to go. Then, of course, I am bringing my Sleep and Glow pillow. I did a whole video on this. This is the most comfortable pillow ever. It's got the little areas to sleep on your side so your face doesn't get wrinkled and squished. It's an anti-aging pillow, and this helps my neck so much, so absolutely, this pillow is going with me for sure. All right, I also just got this backpack. This is perfect for a laptop. You can fit a 17-inch laptop in here, but I'm not bringing my laptop. I'm not working this whole vacation. All I'm gonna do is Facebook and Instagram. So if you guys want to follow along, I will be posting daily pictures at Beauty 101 by Lisa. And I will link this backpack below. I actually just got this in the mail today. So I've got another storage cube that I'm using. This is going to be just like the beach bag, to bring everything down to the beach. So I've got all of my, if I can figure out how to open it. So I've got all of my sunglasses, sunscreen, a hat, sunscreen, chapstick, everything that I need for the beach, and keeping it all in one place. That in the first pouch, in the first outer zipper part. And then it has another zipper behind that. I've just got towels in here. I've got so much stuff in here. It also has a lock on it that, again, I won't be needing because I don't have a laptop or anything, but it has a combination lock right here. It also has on the side, it comes with the cords for a headphone and a cell phone charging pack, and you can charge it right on the outside. It has space for drinks, and then a huge inside. I've got a big beach blanket, another towel, my tripod. This is what I'll be taking pictures with on vacation. This is amazing. You can like twist it around anything to hold your phone and take pictures or video, and you can just stand it up. I will link this below also. And the last thing that I'm bringing for luggage is this handbag. This is the only handbag that I'm bringing for the whole entire trip. It is so beachy. I don't know what other one I could choose. And now I will show you all of the food and the cooler that I'm bringing. So I got this awesome cooler, and you can plug it in to an outlet, or you can plug it right into the lighter in your car. Has the lighter. When we went on vacation last year, my friend Angela had one of these, and I absolutely had to get one. It is on wheels, so it's easy to pull around. Has a handle on this side, so you can wheel it along. And you just open it up. Just make sure that you don't have any food pushing up against the fan right here, the cooling element. And don't put anything on top of the cooler on this fan right here. So I'll show you all the food that I'm bringing for these 6 days. I've got a ton of grapes, pineapple, and a bunch of cucumbers and tomatoes all cut up and ready to eat. I've got a bunch of Greek yogurt. These are vegan almond milk, I think. Yeah, almond milk. And my almond breeze for my shakes. And some of these hummus snack packs. Oh, and avocados and more tomatoes. I think I'm gonna turn into a tomato on this vacation. These are thin stackers, and I'll just put some of the veggies on there or the hummus. These are red rice and quinoa thin stackers. And of course, my kale. This is my absolute favorite. This is Brad's Crunchy Kale. This has tons of protein. It has actually probiotics in it. I eat a bag of this a day. It's like $6 a bag, but it's basically a meal for me. So I'll just have this and some vegetables, and that totally fills me up. And then just to make it easier, I got these single packs of the rice protein that I mixed with the almond milk. And some packages of oatmeal. This is always a super quick meal. All you need is hot water and you're all set. All right, guys, I am ready. I am going to edit this video and get it up for you before I go to bed tonight. And I just want to show you that all 4 of these suitcase pieces stack into each other. And once you stack them all together, you can just slide them into a closet. I actually store this under my bed, and so it's just the size of one suitcase for storage. And that's it, everything stacks right in here. I will see you guys when I get back. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram if you want to see pictures from every day of the vacation. And like I said, I will link all of the stuff down below in the description box if you are interested in checking anything out. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Everyone have a safe and happy Labor Day. Bye!